Hi, welcome to Glitech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix email not allowed Telegram problem. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your phone settings. So right here on my phone settings, you just have to scroll, click on your app management, app list. So right here on my app list, I'll just have to allow it to load. Then I'm going to look for Telegram. So right here on my Telegram, I'm just going to click on storage and cache, and I'm going to clear my cache. Having done that, the next thing I have to do is to go back, click on permissions. So right here on my permission, I will have to make sure that I allowed everything to be permitted. So even my microphone, just have to make sure I permit everything. Have to make sure that everything is being permitted. Having done that, just have to go back. Now just go to my Play Store app. So right here on my Play Store app, I just have to download VPN 1.1.1 and open the app, connect it to my Telegram. Having done that, I just have to go back to my Telegram and then see how effective it will be. You see that you'll be able to have access and also receive email from your Telegram. So guys, that is it on how to fix email not allowed Telegram. So guys, that is it on how to fix email not allowed Telegram problem. If this video was helpful, please do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.